整蒙啲佢，跟住就唔好咁 close up 咁就得㗎。你見到啲老人家你就要咁樣。
Mr. Hao, would you mind to start talking about why you start the Landa?
Louder, okay. The Lantau Development Alliance. It's comprised of different entities, including businesses and also non-profit organizations. In Lantau, we started the alliance with the objective of embracing the community of Lantau, trying to tackle some of the social problems, economic problems that we came across in the community, and to see how the different sectors, including the business sector and also the nonprofit, the schools, how we can collaborate and really to assist the community in its long-term sustainable development.
So what are the problems that you see in the Lantau that it's very obvious that you have to tackle?
Yeah.
Is there any example that?
Yeah, the alliance itself, I'm the founding chairman. When we started the alliance, one of our key initiatives was to tackle the youth unemployment issue in Tung Chung. We also looked at the interconnectivity in terms of transportation on Lantau, and we came up with recommendations. So right now the youth, we came up with initiatives including youth training, vocational training and education, as well as employment, and that's it's still one of our key initiatives in the community. Yeah.
Yes, I heard you talking about the transportation problem. I think it's pretty inaccessible in certain extent. But we have interviewed some of the villagers living in a rural area that they also complain about the transportation is not very good. So when you and your team proposed the idea of developing Lantau, have you taken them into consideration that how the transportation will benefit them as well?
That's a good question. I think the development of Lantau, it's a big island. It's bigger than the Hong Kong island itself. So we're talking about ample space in different parts of Lantau. The development proposal for Lantau focuses on economic and housing development on the northern part of Lantau, including the community of Tung Chung. And for the southern part, I'm part of the Lantau Development Advisory Committee, and the committee came up with a proposal to focus on conservation on the majority of Lantau, including the southern and the western part of Lantau. I think for the southern part, including the rural areas, we need to balance conservation and convenience. It is a fine balance. What we're proposing is to improve, if you will, the convenience. Not so much convenience. Is to make it accessible in a safe manner. I think that's because Lantau is very, very big. From north to south, it will take time. There's already road infrastructure, but we've heard that for example, some of the curving and some of the turning, the road is kind of windy. So I think there needs to be improvement to the existing infrastructure. So that's what we're looking at for Lantau. In order to make the area accessible, but also to preserve the biodiversity of the area, because the environmental groups are very concerned about the overall biodiversity of southern Lantau. So I think we got to find that balance. So the objective is, while we're developing the northern part of Lantau, we will also improve the existing infrastructure so that it's safer for Hong Kong people and also for the rural, for the villagers to be able to access northern Lantau from southern Lantau. I think that's the overall sentiment.